If you're looking for a breathtaking view of Rome, there's no better place than the top of St. Peter's Basilica. This magnificent structure holds a special place in the hearts of Catholics with its awe-inspiring architecture and religious significance. But it's not just the interior that's worth seeing. Climbing the dome of St. Peter's Basilica is an experience like no other, offering an unparalleled view of the Eternal City. Now, if you're planning to visit Rome, don't miss the opportunity to climb the dome and take in the unforgettable sights. Now, first, before you start your ascent, it's important to know that climbing the St. Peter's Basilica is not for the faint of heart. The dome stands at 136 meters tall with 551 steps leading to its summit. However, the climb is well worth it with a stunning view at the top. Now, along the way, you'll pass through ancient stairways, winding corridors, and narrow passages that give you an up-close glimpse of the inner workings of the dome. Now, once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with a panoramic view of the city, with the Vatican Gardens below and the dome of the Pantheon in the distance. On a clear day, you can even see as far as the Alban Hills. You'll also be able to see the statues of Saint perched atop the colonnade, which comes to life in a way that they never do from the ground. The best way to take it in is to just rotate yourself in a circle, taking in every angle of the magnificent view. Now, the climb is not the easiest, but it is absolutely achievable. It can take anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes to reach the top, depending on your pace. Now, however, the time it takes is somewhat insignificant compared to the experience, and not to mention the incredible views that await you. So it's 320 steps to the top.
You can't see.
You still have 290 to go. So when you get close to the top, the walls angle in. So not only are you walking upstairs, you're walking at an angle too. Hopefully I'm almost there. Oh, excuse me. Like right now, my quadriceps are burning. They're like, what are you doing, Dave? We made it. That last little bit's about 40 steps, about 1.5 feet wide. No railing. There's a little rope and knots to help you stay up. Now let's go check out this view and see if nearly dying is worth it. It's important to note that during peak tourist season, the queue for the elevator can be extremely long, and it's also seasonal. If you're looking for an even more memorable experience, try climbing the dome during sunset. Watching the light fall over the city, seeing the colors of the sky change as Rome settles down for the day, it is truly a magical experience. Plus, after your climb, you can reward yourself with a refreshing aperitivo at one of the many scenic bars nearby. Climbing the dome of St. Peter's Basilica is an extraordinary experience that should not be missed. The view from the top is worth the effort and helps create a memory that will last a lifetime. The historic significance and architectural magnificence of the building is unparalleled, and the climb has the ability to give you a unique perspective of Rome. What do you think? Think that view is worth almost dying for? Pretty good. Now let's go down the stairs. Now, obviously, going down is easier, but I hope you can get an idea how wide, or I guess narrow, the staircase is. So I'm a 44 regular, and I'm like 2 inches from touching side to side. It's very small. I'm 5'8" almost, and some of these places I have to go like this to get through. So if you're like 6 foot tall and you're wearing like a 46 regular or more, you may have issues enjoying your time coming up and down. And if you have claustrophobia, I wouldn't recommend coming down this at all. So to come up here, it is €8 if you want to take the stairs from the main level to the top deck where we were at to be able to get to the dome to go up it. Or you pay €10, take the elevator. Highly recommend you take those extra €2 and you take the elevator up so you're not adding insult to injury coming up this thing.